Hi, my name is Susan Morrison. I'm the receptionist here at the Cleveland APL. Our goal here really is to get the perfect animal matched up in the perfect home to ensure that everybody's happy and enjoys their new experience with their new animal. We have a fairly easy process. We do have you take an adopter survey, which would either be for a dog or a cat, and that gives us an idea of who you're looking for and who we can match you up with. We give you a chance to look at the animals that we have available, and if you decide that there's somebody you'd want to meet, you do have some time that you can spend in a room with them, and we often encourage that you bring everybody in your family to ensure that it's a good match. Once you've actually made the decision to do an adoption, it's a fairly quick process. It's about 20 to 30 minutes long. We do require that you have a driver's license or a state-issued ID, and you must be at least 18 years of age or older. We just put in some information. We collect an adoption fee, which varies depending on whether you're picking a dog or a cat and the age. And in the case of dogs, we are required to sell you a dog license at the time of adoption. So expect to spend at least an hour to an hour and a half total in the process, spending time meeting with the animals and going through the complete adoption process. Once you're ready, you're able to take home your new best friend.